Hello everyone, this is Van from the Nile machinery.
This is Megan from the Nile machinery. We are glad to introduce the crushing making process for you.
Firstly, we came to the foundry, which covers more than 40,000 square meters, more than 120 employees.
Yes, we have the largest electronic system and the annealing furnace, dust recovery system equipment, and the sand circulation system.
What you see now is our grinding tool workshop. And do you know what this wide mold used for?
Let me see, it's used of the foam.
Yes.
Why use the foam? I think it needs to be steel.
Because this is our latest casting process. Now, come with me, have a look.
Okay.
For the casting process, firstly, we need to put the white mold into this sandbox.
Ah, so this is the big sandboxes to put the white mold into this model, and it's enough for the jaw crusher, the cone crusher. You can see the pipes. These pipes can extract the airs from the sandbox and to ensure the casting is no holes and cracks.
Okay, let's go to the next step. After the basic work is complete, the next casting process can be carried out. We need to be very careful about this processing because the temperature is more than 1,300 degrees. Met with steel well into liquid state.
Oh, this very high temperature, and you can see this is the largest electric furnace in the central plant, and every year we can output of more than 40,000 tons of high quality steel, the casting steels every year.
Yes, this process is not only for our factory, but also provide to other provinces. Let's go to the next step.
Okay.
After the sand cleaning and cutting, we can get the shell we want. Of course, the requirements of the final product is very high, so we need to annealing and sandblasting the semi-finished products, and then we can get the complete machines.
Yes, after this process, we can get the cement productions. Now that we see the complete machine, how to make them.
Yes, let's go have a look about the finished product. Okay, here is our cement products.
And from the above process, and we can get the cement production. And we have another process for the complete system, the making process. Let us to see.
Yes, let's go to the main factory.
Okay.
Hello everyone, we came to the main factory right now. Here I want to mention you guys about these tips. And if you like us, you can type here. And if you want to find us in the future, you can type here. There you have a follow. And if you want to find our products, you can type here. There have a catalog. And if you want to chat with us, you can leave your message on here. Thank you.
And there is a good news for you. You just need to pay $100 and you can get 50% discount. Just need to pay $100. It's okay.
Yes, after casting, of course, we need to carry out fine processing to match client's need. We have more than 30 sets of laces. Here you can see this is our vertical lathe. This is our vertical lathe. And this is our horizontal lathe. Now come on with us. I will show you a big one. You can see this lathe can process more than 7 meters.
7 meters of the machine, of the cone crusher, you can see it's very big for all the cone crushers to make the steel base.
And this single lathe can process the whole machines.
Yes, the whole plant, you can see this one is the small one, but the biggest one can make the diameter is 7 meters.
Oh, it's really a big one. Not every factory have this.
Yes.
Let's go to see the next machines. Yes, after casting, of course, we need to carry out fine processing to match the client's need. We have more than 30 sets of lathes, such as here you can see this is our vertical lathe. Our vertical lathe. And here you can this is our they are milling the spare parts right now. And this one you can see they are milling the job plate.
The steel structure of the drum crusher. We have 30 sets of vertical leaders and other cutting or lathe machine.
Here you can see this vertical lathe. They are milling the spare parts of the cone crusher right now.
For the cone crusher,
okay, now we'll show you a big one. This blue guys. You can see that this large lathe can process workpieces with more than 7 meters. Just single lathe.
yes, this one can deal with the diameter of 7 meters of the cone crusher or other machines. You can see the 7 meters output of the machine can reach thousands of tons. There are also very precise parts such as bearings, screws, drilling holes. Essentially, the planer and drilling machine are used to ensure its precision. The combination of dozens or even hundreds of parts makes up the machine that we can see and can be used perfectly.
These single machines can process more than 7 meters?
Yes.
Oh, that's really a big one. Not every factory have this.
Yeah, just the one in Zhengzhou City and in our factory.
Okay, let's go to see the next machines.
You can see this is the laser cutting machine. If you need to design the special size of the steel, you can use this machine. We have the good quality steel.
A variety of machines need to be combined. In the field of heavy machines, here you can see we use these electric welding machines. And we need to protect our eyes. Here you can see our workers, they all have professional protection. Okay. After so many processes, finally we came to the assembly workshop. And here you can see this is our spare parts of cone crusher. They are assembling these machines right now.
You can see the spring on the cone crusher.
Okay, come with us. This is our Siemens cone crusher. And you can see we have a big one and small one with different capacity. Here you can see we have two big impact crusher. Impact crusher is suitable for a medium hardness stones.
Yes, such as the limestone.
Yes. Okay, let's go to see the
Jaw crusher. Let me introduce the jaw crusher to you, and you can see this one is the big model. It can do with about 300 tons per hour for the stores. And the jaw crusher is suitable to crush many kinds of stones, such as the granite is okay, the limestone is okay, and for others stores, you can also to as the first crusher.
Okay, here you can see the black one. After sandblasting, the surface of the product has been removed. And you know we have this sandblasting workshop in here.
You can see the color of jaw crusher. And if you like which kind of color, you can talk to us and we will design for you. Don't remember we have the 50% discount.
You know, most of the manufacturers do not have independent painting room and sandblasting room. But we have all this workshop, so we can make sure the final product is perfect. Okay, after all this process, finally we got the finished product. And here you can see this is our showing room. And here I want to mention you guys again about our tips. And if you like us, you can tap here. And if you want to find us in the future, you can tap here. There you have a follow. And if you want to find what we have, you can tap here. We have a catalog in here. And if you want to chat with us, you can tap here. Leave the message on here, and then we can talk with you in later.
Yes, there is another good news, such as you just pay $100, you can get 50% discounts.
Okay, and right here in our showing room, you know, we have like a jaw crusher, and here we have different types of jaw crusher, such as this one. Come on, follow with us. such as this one, 400 and 600 model. And the material of the jaw plate is high manganese steels, which can crush in very hard stones. And the input size of this jaw crusher is around 3 and 400 millimeters. And the capacity of this crusher is around 30 to 50 tons per hour.
Oh, okay. This one is 30 to 40 tons per hour for the stores. And I see back of you, this one is very high.
Yes, this is bigger than this one. And we normally use this jaw crusher in 100 tons per hour crushing plant.
Wow.
The capacity can reach about 100 tons per hour with this crusher. And this crusher is usually used in primary crusher. And after this primary crusher, we need to design another small model like this one or this one, the secondary crusher. And right behind you, this side, we have vibrating screens. This screen is used for separating different sizes of the stones. And this is our vibrating screen.
Yes, and if you want 3 kinds of final stores, you can choose three layers of the screens and different shapes of the screen. You can choose the models.
Yes, and you can get the finished product from here, here, and here. Okay, let's go to see the next machines.
All of we see is the screen machine, and let us see the seventh cone crusher. This one is a seventh cone crusher, and the capacity can get to 80 tons per hour. What's the seventh cone crusher? Cone crusher has many models, and this one, the specification is the spring. You can see the spring and the hydraulic parts.
And here we have this impact crusher. This impact crusher is used for mineral hardening stones, such as limestones. And also this impact crusher can adjust the shape of the finished product. The finished product can be more cubic with this impact crusher.
Yes.
Okay, come with us. And we have a VSI sand making machines in here. With these machines, you can get the finished product less in 5 millimeters, which means it's sand. And you know, right now, nature sand is very near. So we need to making sand by machines. And we have these machines for clients. And you have to tell us what's your input size of your raw material. And then we can design the whole flow chart for you. Okay.
This is the biggest sand making machine, and suitable to the sand making machine. Before the sand maker, you can use the drum crusher as the primary crusher, the cone crusher as second crusher to make the small size, and then put into the sand making machine. Because the input side of the sand making machine is smaller than 40 millimeters.
Yes. Okay, I want to mention you guys again about these tips. Okay, don't forget, they have follow, and they have like, they have catalog, and they have chat. And our company name is the Nile Machinery. The Nile Machinery. We have warehouse in Sudan and Africa countries such as Kenya, Tanzania.
And no, just need to pay $100. You can get 50% discounts. No, just need to pay $100. You can get 50% discounts.
Okay, and don't forget about this one. And we have liking here and cataloging here and following here. And if you want to talk with us, you can leave a message on here. Our company name is the Nile Machinery. We have warehouse in Sudan and Kenya. Welcome to visit us. Welcome to visit our factory in China. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
This is Wan.
This is Megan.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.